Here we have a very short video on a remarkable new product that we're putting out there into the international marketplace, and it's called LEDFLEX. It's what it probably sounds like. It's flexible and it's LED technology. We're looking at the back of one of the panels here, and you can probably see here the connectors that need to join to the next panel. Down here they're connected to the panel that we can see underneath. So I'm going to just open it up and show you, and here it is. So this is LEDFLEX, remarkable LED screen technology that's available in pitch from P3 up to P20. So designed for close viewing and also far distance viewing, making it ideal for skyscraper, very tall buildings, and also for your shop floor, your shop window, anywhere where you want to have either transparency or extreme lightweight, high definition resolution screens. It's LEDFLEX. Thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you. If you have a project you think this product's suitable for, contact details are on the end of the video and also below in the descriptive text. Thanks for watching.